everyone, welcome to the Back 40 Feet, where we talk about suburban, urban, and patio gardening. We've had a bout of cold weather and rain the last week, which can really stress out the plants, but also make it conducive to harmful bugs and bacteria. And I was doing my health inspection this morning and have found a problem with my broccoli, specifically cabbage maggots have been at them. So a symptom of cabbage maggots are that the plants will suddenly wilt on sunny days, outer leaves can be yellowed, and you can see tunnels in the roots or root crops like your radishes and your turnips. So let's look at this sad broccoli.
Okay.
Here you can see a very healthy broccoli with no stress at all. This is a very sad broccoli and it's not going to survive. You can see that it is wilted, you can see the yellowed leaves. This is a classic symptom of cabbage maggots. I'm going to pull this up, and here you can see that the root has been chewed at. That has been what's been eating my broccoli. So cabbage maggots attack your brassicas, so that would be your broccolis, cauliflowers, turnips, radishes. They look like houseflies. But what they do is that the pupae overwinter in the soil, and they'll lay eggs at the base of your crops, and then the larvae will eat your roots. You could pull up a radish that it's infected, and you'll see sort of tunnels in the radishes. So they do survive in cool, damp soil, but once the soil gets warm enough, the eggs will die. In New England, we usually have about 3 generations of cabbage maggots from spring until fall. So I obviously can't save this one. I don't see actually any of the maggots on here, but I'm not going to throw this in my compost just in case there's any eggs on it. So I can't save this, but what I can do is save the rest of my plants. Sometimes when you have these infected, you still have a healthy enough plant that with a big enough root system it's going to survive, and you don't need to necessarily take it out. But what I'm going to be doing is treating my garden with predatory nematodes. These are microscopic organisms that live in the soil that feed on the eggs and the larvae of cabbage maggots and a variety of other bugs. They do not harm beneficials. The specific nematode for this, I'll probably butcher the name, but you can see that the name below it is Steinernium. Nope, I can't do it. Sorry. So what that is going to do is it's going to interrupt the next generation. The other thing you can do is you can attract green lacewing bugs to your garden, or you can actually purchase those online and set them free in your garden. They're pretty voracious predators towards cabbage maggots. You can also next season rotate your crops in case these eggs are still where you want to put your brassicas, and then they won't have any place to go. I'll be doing some further videos about predatory nematodes. Thank you for watching.